Not gatekeeping this hidden cafe sa Alfonso serving quality bread. Kaya naman, saan tayo today? Hey Wanderers! May na-discover nga tayong kapehan at bake shop in one, ang Panadera Cafe, located sa 24 Zamora Street, Poblacion 4, Alfonso, Cavite. Dito, they're serving hot, iced at non-coffee drinks. Price range is from 85 to 170 pesos. Plus, meron din silang pasta, cakes, coffee jelly, at syempre, ang highlight, ang freshly baked bread na iba-iba rin araw-araw. Ito nga yung mga available bread nung pumunta kami. May garlic cheese bread, chocolate fudge horn, ubi cheese bread, coffee bun, cheesy ciabatta, bacon garlic melt, and cheesy spicy tuna. Ang daming options and yung price range na is from 40 pesos to 75 pesos only. Tinry namin yung cheesy ciabatta, soft and cheesy, perfect with coffee. Yung cheesy spicy tuna may konting kick pero tama lang for me. And yung chocolate fudge horn, chocolatey and satisfying. Ito yung nagustuhan ng mga bagets. For drinks, we had kapet gulaman and their new mango nata, both refreshing. Kung mahilig ka sa kape, tinapay at cozy vibes, this place is a must visit. Alam nyo na. See you here, Wanderers!